Cool, so the last time we ended off, we just made a canvas element, we drew on the canvas, and we drew a little square. So now I want to show you how to quickly animate this blue square. What we're going to have to do is replace these coordinates with variables. So we'll make variable block position x is equal to 0, and we'll make block position y is equal to 0, and we'll make a size for the block. We'll make block size, and then we'll just make that 40. So then we can replace these with block position x, block position y, and block size. Cool. And then if we refresh this, it should, oops, because we set these to 0. So if we made this 200 and we made this 400, there we go. Cool. So to animate it, what we need to do is run a function that increases these values every I don't know, 24 times a second or 30 times a second, whatever you want your frame rate to be. So let's make that. We'll say var frames per second. Let's make ours 24. And to make a function run at an interval, we just need to use the set interval function, which takes a function and takes a time parameter. So that will be a function, and it takes, so this is 1 second, 1000 milliseconds, and our frame rate is 24, but we'll just replace that with FPS. And so every 24 times a second this will run. So let's take our drawing out of here and put it into here, neaten this up. So now what we can do is every time this runs, we can increase block pos x is equal to block pos x plus 1, and now we should see it moving along the side. And if we increase this number, it'll go faster. Cool. So that's our starting point. Our blocks will be falling from top to bottom, so we only care about increasing the block position y. So what we'll do at the top is we'll make a speed variable, and let's make this, we'll set it to 4, and every time this function runs, at the end of it, we'll increase it by block pos y is equal to block pos y plus speed. The shorthand to do this exact same thing is to actually just put a plus here, plus equals speed. So block pos y, every time this runs, speed is just added to block position y, and it should just go down.